Welcome, my dear students in Prep 2. Let's continue applications on real numbers. Today we will take part 3. Today we will talk about sphere. In a sphere, we will study the total area of a sphere and the volume of a sphere. Here is the center of a sphere, and this is the radius of the sphere. The total area of the sphere equals 4 pi r power 2. 4 pi r power 2. Of course, pi is 22/7 and r is the radius of the sphere. If you want to calculate the volume of the sphere equals 4/3 pi r power 3. So we have two rules for the sphere: total area 4 pi r power 2 and the volume 4/3 pi r power 3. Let's take this exercise. The area of a sphere is 36 pi centimeter squared. Find the volume of the sphere. To get the volume, of course, we need the radius of the sphere. We don't have the radius, but we have here the total area of the sphere. The total area of the sphere equals 36 pi. So I'll use the rule of the total area of the sphere, which is 4 pi r power 2, and substitute by total area by 4 pi r power 2, which is equals to 36 pi, because the area here is 36 pi. So the total area of the sphere, as we said before, equals 4 pi r power 2. So 4 pi r power 2 is the same as the total area here, which is 36 pi. Okay, now I want the radius. R power 2 will be 36 pi divided by 4 pi, which is 9. So the radius will be square root of 9, which is 3 centimeters. Now I have the radius, so it's very easy to calculate the volume of this sphere. As we said before, the volume of the sphere equals 4/3 pi r power 3. Then substitute by r, which is 3 centimeters, and pi, which is 22/7. So the volume equals 4/3 pi 3 to the power 3. Oh, take care, I will not substitute pi by 22/7, because here we have find its volume in terms of pi, so keep it. Okay, don't substitute pi by 22/7. So the volume here equals 4/3 pi 3 power 3. 3 power 3 is 9, and here we have 3, so it will be 36 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume. Okay, 9 times 4, 36. Okay, and here we still have 3. 3 times 3 is 27. Okay, so we 3, one of them will be cancelled with 3. Then we have 9 times 4, which is 36 pi centimeter cubes. Here we have another exercise about the cylinder. Do you remember the cylinder? We studied cylinder in the last session. We took some rules for the cylinder. This cylinder, a right circular cylinder, is of volume 90 pi. So we have the volume now. And the height is 10 centimeter. Find the diameter of the base. Okay. What is the rule of the volume of the cylinder? Pi r power 2h. This is the rule of the volume. Pi r power 2h. Okay, the volume here is 90 pi, so I'll substitute 90 pi here, equals pi r power 2, and h is 10 centimeters. Okay, I want the radius. Now I can cancel pi with pi, of course. Now the only unknown here is r power 2, which is the radius. 90 pi over pi times 10, which is 9. So the radius will be the square root of 9, which is 3. Don't take positive or negative, because here we have a length. So the radius is 3 centimeters, but I don't want the radius, I want the diameter. So I multiply by 2. So the diameter is 2 times 3, which is 6 centimeters. Okay, let's revise the rules we have studied in this lesson application on the number. At first, we studied the solid, which is the cube, and we said that the lateral area is 4L power 2. L is the edge length. The total area is 6L power 2, and the volume is L power 3. Then we studied the cuboids. Here we have length, width, and height. The lateral area was the perimeter times height, which is 2h times L plus W, which is length plus width times height times 2. The total area is the lateral area, calculated here, plus the area of two bases. The area of one base is length by width. Here I have the volume, which is length by width by height. It means the area of the base times height. Then we studied the cylinder. We said that the lateral area at first of the cylinder is 2 pi r h, 2 pi r h. R is the radius and h is the height of the cylinder. The total area will be the lateral area plus area of two bases, so it will be 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r power 2. The volume is pi r power 2h, which is the volume is the area of the base times height. And in the sphere, we studied the total area, which is 4 pi r power 2, and the lateral area, which is 4 over 3 pi r power 3. I hope you have understood our session today. I want you to keep the rules well. Try to solve more exercises. Next session, we will discuss how to solve equations and inequalities in the first degree, one variables, and the real numbers. Thank you very much for watching. See you next session and goodbye.